here's the news of the day.
Joby Aviation and the US Air Force completed a 4-week maintenance training on the electric air taxi, preparing service members for future FAA-certified operations.
Archer Aviation formed a multi-party alliance with UAE and Abu Dhabi entities to launch the region's first commercial eVTOL air taxi flights, establishing a robust ecosystem for advanced air mobility.
Adventure Pilot's iFly EFB version 13.2 adds a forecast layer, improved vertical profiles, and PDF flight briefings, empowering pilots to plan routes more efficiently and anticipate changing conditions with greater accuracy.
Vita Inclinata's rescue system, now Army and Air Force cleared, is operational with South Carolina Helicopter Aquatic Rescue Team, enabling safe, tagline-free helicopter hoisting.
Oklahoma and EE North America will develop eSAF from green hydrogen and e-methanol by 2027, leveraging European expertise to advance sustainable aviation and economic growth.
CAL FIRE's Aviation Training Center begins a 6-day helicopter training program at Folsom Lake and near Mammoth Bar, conducting day and night exercises to enhance firefighting and rescue capabilities.
To battle the 9,904-acre valley fire in the Boise foothills, crews deployed 8 retardant tankers, 2 water scoopers, and 4 helicopters on day 1 at a cost of $1.5 million, slowing the blaze for ground teams to contain. To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us in avfoil.com/news.